What's up guys, this is yet another boring phone from Samsung and it is called the Galaxy A54 5G. You can get this phone for around 35,000 rupees for 8 128 combo, but I just don't find anything exciting about it. There's nothing even in the box now as you only get a USB Type-C cable. When you look at this phone, there is no differentiating factor about it. The S23 looks the same, the S23 FE looks the same, and the A54 also looks the same. Now you might argue that we are getting a flagship design at less price, but there should be some unique character to every model. Last year we reviewed the Galaxy A73 and that phone definitely looked different and also felt better with its unique design. But here, although you get a Gorilla Glass 5 on the back, it is so glossy and shiny that it is just a mirror which reflects just about anything and everything. If I only focus on it, you can actually see my camera as well. And you are going to be bombarded with a lot of fingerprints. This one has a flat back and rounded sides, which makes it even worse to hold and grip the phone properly. And not only that, the sides are made of plastic instead of aluminum, which is kind of disappointing at this price point. And just look at the amount of bezels that you get on this phone. You get less bezels on even a 20,000 rupee phone. Anyways, you do get a Gorilla Glass 5 on the front as well and IP67 rating, which is nice to have. Moving on to the performance aspect, this phone has the Exynos 1380, which is equivalent to the Snapdragon 778 chipset, which is already a 3-year-old chipset, and still this processor is slightly inferior to that as you can see in the comparison. Snapdragon 778 phones are available for around 20,000, but here you will have to pay almost 1.5 times more money to buy similarly performing phone. Now people tend to buy Samsung phones for their brand value, service and software updates. If you are someone like that, then yes, this phone makes a lot of sense to you because you are getting 4 major Android updates and 5 years of security updates with this device. So yeah, I don't know how it's gonna perform after 4 years with the Exynos 1380, but you will definitely get the updates for sure. Currently it's running Android 13 with One UI 5. You also get a big 5000 mAh battery with this with 25 watts of fast charging support, but you will have to buy the chargers separately. Now the two best things about Samsung phones are the cameras and the display. Here you get a 50 megapixel primary camera with OIS, which is a big plus, 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera with 123-degree field of view, and a useless 5 megapixel macro lens, which could have been totally avoided to make the design a bit different I guess. And on the front you get a 32 megapixel camera. So here are some camera samples, and in typical Samsung fashion, they are vivid and rich in contrast, which is the look that I absolutely prefer. Focusing is good and the detailing is also very nice even in zoom shots. The dynamic range is also nicely balanced. When you look at the indoor shots, it's not overexposing any one thing, so that's nice too. Here's a sample video for you guys and it is really stable with its OIS capabilities, but do note that you cannot do 4K 60 FPS videos because of Exynos 1380. But overall the cameras are really nice, and if you want to buy a camera phone, you can definitely go for this one. The display is also Samsung's strong part, and here you get a 6.4-inch 1080p 120Hz panel, which is very vibrant and colorful, and it is HDR10+ certified with 1000 nits of peak brightness. So as with many other Samsung phones, the display here is pretty solid. Let's also test out the speakers.
She satisfied me, gave me what I want, just what we need, never too far away, loving for another day, but she asked for
So you have stereo speakers here which will make your media experience super enjoyable. Now let's see the fingerprint reader. It's an optical scanner, not the ultrasonic one that you get on the S series, but it's fast, it's accurate and works every single time, so no worries here. So guys, this is the Galaxy A54 5G. I just don't like its design and the performance is also pretty mediocre, but the display and cameras are excellent. So would you buy a Samsung phone with this combination? Let me know in the comment section below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.